Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite lunches. It's a veggie sandwich. I've got some hummus and avocado, lettuce, tomatoes, some red onion, cucumber, little shredded carrot. It's so easy, and let me show you how it works. I start with two slices of toasted gluten-free bread, and then on one side I've got my homemade hummus. This is oil-free, so I'm going to spread that on one side. On the other side, I've got some mashed up avocado. I'm just going to put that on this side. Yum, yum, yum. This way you don't need to use any mayo, so it's basically oil-free. Alrighty, then I like to sprinkle on a little shredded carrot. I do it right on the avocado because that way it'll stick. Yes, yummy. Then I have some sliced cucumbers, and I just lay those on here. This couldn't be easier. Then we're going to add some red onion. Just a little bit of red onion, and you can definitely customize this to however you would like. Sometimes I add pickles on here. Just go crazy. Then I have a slice of this yummy heirloom tomato. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of romaine lettuce on here. And we're going to top it. And that is it. Lunch is ready. It couldn't be any easier than that. So let's give this a taste. So look at that, a nice healthy sandwich. Really good. Can't wait to dig in. Here we go. A little messy, but just all those flavors are so perfect with the carrot and the onion, the cucumber, and I love the hummus. I think next time I want to try it, putting it in my panini maker. I think that would be good too. So look forward to that. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.